Hey there. So, of course, I'm in the wonderful world of content marketing, and part of that is SEOing that content that you have. So, making sure that it's optimized and ranking. So, with blogs or your video posts or your podcast posts on your web page. And I know it can be super overwhelming, and even like the Google keyword planning tool can be a little overwhelming. So, if you keep watching this video, you will find a new tool that I have. So I'm Captain Lyndsay Phillips with Smooth Sailing Business Growth, and we help people attract and acquire customers faster through powerful content marketing. And again, I'm going to touch base on a new tool. Thanks to Neil Patel. He's awesome. And he has pushed out a new tool that he promotes called Ubersuggest. And as I do, I'm going to share my screen and just show you what it's about. So let me share. Alrighty. Oh, there we are. Now it's working. So once I get into his app, and of course, if you just search Neil Patel and Ubersuggest, you will find it, of course. But it is super easy. So I just put in content creation because, you know, I love that stuff. And you'll see here, it's just laid out super clean. So the search volume is about 880. It says it does about, 1,000 searches per month, in and around that, which isn't so bad. So that makes, though, that keyword is easy to rank for. So it says there's a 71% chance that you'll be able to rank for it if you really focus on your content and use that in your SEO strategy. So that's not too bad. So you'll see here, it tells you if what the difficulty scale is for your, regular content. Of course, this is paid, so it's a slightly bit more different, and it kind of tells you what the cost per click is. Now, if you scroll down, it'll give you other keyword ideas. And you'll see here, like content creation jobs, you know what, only 110 people are searching that per month. So therefore, it's not really something that you're going to want to go after. It's hard finding that balance, right, of something that a ton of people are searching for so that they find you, but also it being easier for you to rank for that. So if I search like social media, for instance, of course, that is that's not very specific, 18,000 people, but you know what, I kind of wonder how specific that is, but it would not be easy to rank for the word social media because there would be so much competition. Hey, Alicia. And so, yeah, so basically you just, let's say if I do briefings, again, it shows me how many people are searching for that term. The more specific you are, the better. Apparently, it takes a long time to kick in. I haven't checked out all the other features yet, only this main part. So sorry that is taking so long. There we go. So not many people are searching that, but I bet you they will be in the next 6 months because it's becoming really popular. So if the search volume is low to medium, then you definitely want to try to rank for it. If the search volume is high, then it just may be harder for you to rank because you'll probably be at the bottom of the barrel and it'll be really hard for you to get up to, ranking 5th in that. But anyways, I could go on and on and on. But I just wanted to quickly show you this tool and how easy it is to use and how beautifully it's laid out. And I love the colors. Even that peachy color kind of matches my my branding a little bit. So I love it extra bit. So of course, I hope that tip helps you out, helping with your rankings for your social media content. If you want us to take it over for you so that you don't have to deal with it on your own, then go to smoothbusinessgrowth.com because, of course, we will help you with every facet of content marketing. And if you go to smoothbusinessgrowth.com, there is a social media roadmap right on the homepage so you can get more consistent with your content and get more online exposure. So have a profitable and productive week, and may the winds always be at your back.